You stopped complaining about not being able to do your makeup and started practicing instead. So practice my makeup with me until I become my own professional MUA. So before I forget, I'm going to list all the products that I've used in the captions. So before I started priming my face, I had already prepped my face using the moisturizer and the sunscreen to make sure that the makeup will look flawless. So now we're just doing the eyebrows, and I like my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. And remember guys, this is a beginner's video, but soon I'm going to become a professional MUA. I'm manifesting that. So now I'm using my Urban Decay Quickie Concealer to highlight my eyebrows. Moving on to the Maybelline foundation. Time for the Urban Decay Quickie Concealer again. I am in love with this concealer. Normally, I don't put this much concealer, but let's just see how it will turn out. Someone actually said, let's trust the process. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation to contour. To be honest, I'm already doubting if this will turn out okay. But let's continue. No giving up. After blending, I think it looks good. What do you think? So time for the Urban Decay Hydromaniac blush in the shade Dripping. On to the setting powder. Guess what just happened? I forgot to press the record button while doing my eyeshadow. Guys, can you believe that? So this is how it turned out. I didn't put the lashes on, but what do you think? What should I work on? Tell me in the comment section.